WeatherTech Side Window Deflectors are made from a strong and flexible cast acrylic with ultra-thin precision machine flanges that are designed to slip into the window channels. Before installing your deflectors, make sure the window and window channels are completely clean and dry. Wrap a paper towel around the flat end of the channel tool and sweep it through the window channel and weather strip, cleaning it of dirt and debris. It is very important that the front end of the front window deflector flange slides forward into the window channel, ensuring the bottom edge rests in between the inner and outer window sill. With the front end in position, bow the deflector down into the window channel and slide upward to seat the deflector. A little outward pressure helps seat the deflector properly in the window channel. A few rear WeatherTech side window deflectors require window channel clips for installation to ensure proper window operation. Use the same channel tool that you use to clean your window channels to measure a location of the channel clips, roughly 3 inches from the edge of the window opening and 3 inches from the back of the edge. Now, using the hook end of the channel tool, carefully pull down the inner rubber weather strip at your first location. Place a channel clip into the exposed rubber window channel and push the clip up, fully seating it into the window channel. Only a small portion of the clip will remain exposed and should be curving outward. Now, repeat the process, placing another clip at your second location. At the rear of the window opening, below the clips, insert the machined flange of the deflector into the window channel. Then, pivot the front end up and slide the deflector into the upper window channel over the channel clips. Carefully work the deflector to slide the flange fully upward between the clips and the weather strip. Before closing your window for the first time, make sure the deflector is fully inserted into the window channel and that there's no obstruction to the window track. Double check by running the flat end of the channel tool across the top. Then, raise the window slowly. Apply outward tension until the window reaches the threshold of the side window deflector. Then, finish raising the window without the added tension. Repeat the process on the other side, and your WeatherTech side window deflectors are installed.